Oh boy. Last night it got to 21 degrees here in Texas, which is honestly a little crazy. I didn't think Texas was going to actually be cold, but hey, here we are. Me and Lars were pretty warm though. We had the heated blanket on. I didn't need to turn on my heater. I have my EcoFlow Wave 2, which is a heater and air conditioner. I didn't have to turn that on. I did crank the car on for like 15 minutes, maybe around 6 a.m. just to get a little bit warmer, but that's it. This heated blanket is honestly pretty warm, and I have two. I have the one on top and the one on the bottom, so when I turn them both on, I kind of get like panini pressed. Let's go to the gym and warm up, take a shower, and get our day started. Getting to the end of my toothpaste. Yeah, might have to get some more today. By the way, I'm not sure if I've showed this on the channel yet, but I got a ukulele bass. I got this when I was in Alabama. It was at a used instrument store. It was a very good price, and I've always wanted to get a bass, but I didn't have enough space for a bass, so I had to face the case that I don't have enough space for a bass. But a ukulele bass has made this a lot easier because it obviously fits into smaller areas, and I really like it, and it plugs into my amp too, so it's a whole vibe. I love this thing already. Let's go in the garden, you'll find something waiting right there where you left it, lying upside down. When you finally see it, you'll see how it's fading. The other side is lighter when you turn it around. Everything stays right where you left it. Everything stays, but it still changes ever so slightly, daily and nightly. In little ways, everything stays. I'm still learning, but yeah, this thing is awesome. All right, let's head to the gym. All right, so I don't know why, but my GoPro did not get the audio from this, but I was eating an acai bowl with fresh fruit on it and granola that I got after the gym. And I also wanted to ask you guys what kind of stuff you want to see for the remainder of Vlogmas. I'm thinking about going somewhere where it's snowing. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Till then, peace.